In this session, we will review the login and logout process for end users who have already enrolled into the SPM product. The administrator is currently logged in as a system administrator with certain privileges and is going to be aware about a specific user's login or current sessions in the SPM product. The end user will use the phone and log in using the enrollment that they've already performed using SPM. They can trigger or start the login process into the phone using their magnetic card. By swiping the magnetic card that they've enrolled with, the user is asked and challenged to enter their password. So J. Feldman is the user ID, and the password for that user is entered. Once the user enters the password information, login process says that you are being identified as J. Feldman. Please wait. And ultimately, as soon as the user's information is verified, a message is sent to the phone asking that the user swipe their finger on the sensor. And at this point, the sensor is accepting data by being on the green light. The user swipes their finger, notices the blinking as a cue, asks the user to wait again, and you see the requesting sign on the phone, and the user is now logged in to the phone. The phone from extension 1078 will momentarily be logged into the extension mobility profile associated with this user. At this point, at any point, the administrator may be interested in knowing which users are logged into the SPM product. This is the phones menu. Look at active sessions and notice that at this phone, at this MAC address, this user is currently logged in to the SPM product. To log out of SPM, the user can also either use a services menu from the services tab, or once again swipe their magnetic card at the SPAR. So using the magnetic card, the user swipes. Menu option for SPM pops up automatically on the phone, informing the user that you're currently logged in to the system. A set of menus show up, including the user specified directory, the ability to lock this device for future use, and log out, and the user selects the logout button. Soft key. You're being logged out. Please wait. And the user is then logged out, and the profile goes from 20345, which is the logged in profile for this user, to 1078, which is the logged out profile for this device. At this point, if the administrator looks for the active sessions that are being used in SPM, there are currently no active sessions, assuming that the system had only one active user prior to this use.